Welcome to Zill Tech. In the last video, we have discussed linked list. We have started. In that linked list, we have discussed get iterator with forward, iterator with backward. We have discussed in the last few videos. In this video, I want to discuss some more methods. What we have here. I discuss only add, get, and cursors related to cursors. Only this one I discuss. But in this video, I want to discuss some more methods. Some more methods we have. I am taking one class and now I'll go with linked list 4 linked list 4 public static void main finished. Okay, yeah, I'm going with the linked list some more methods I'll discuss. Linked list is a little package. Here I'm going with string list equals to new linked list. Okay, if you want to see what are the methods we have, you can go with the linked list. We have a lot of methods. Yeah, this is an API. You can go. It's an extends. It's a dot class file as an all and this is size. Internal size is 0. These are our nodes, represent of nodes. Linked list constructor. Daily we are using this constructor only. We are creating the second one constructor, and we have methods like add. Also we have these all are methods. These all are belongs to methods. Get first, get last, remove first, remove last. The elements will be removed. And add first, add last, and contains size. On the previous video we have seen the size. And add also we have seen. E is nothing but type. What you are entering, what a class you are using, that is nothing but E specifies the type. And removing the element like this. We also add all, adding the linked list. See, collection extends E type. Okay, we'll see with an examples. First I want to add the elements using add E of what is there here, E of E. Okay, by using that method we want to add. Okay, list dot add string. Okay, any name you can go with, like Zill. List dot add Deva. List dot add Sai. Okay, these are the three I want to go. And next I want to print it. It's a list, nothing but a linked list. Yeah, list. Okay, save, Ctrl S, and run the example. Run as Java application. Okay, and Zill, Java, Deva, and Sai. Okay, this is about our list. Next I want to add at specific location. Adding an element or an item. Adding an item or element, any name, or a value at the specific position or index or position, any name, position or index. We have a method for that, like list dot add index string elements in index or position, anything you can add, nothing but inserting specific element at the specific position. Okay, now I want to add it 2. I want to add it to this element. I want to add like Rani, like Rani. I want to add like Rani. After that, I want to print it. After that, I want to print the list. Okay, plus list. Save. Right click. Run. See, it's added. See, it added at second position because 0 means this index, and 1 is means this index, and 2 means this index, like this index base, nothing but index base. Next, 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 next. I want to create one more list. I want to create one more list, like a list, linked list, linked list, string only, and here I will change the name like LL or L list one or any name, L listes, any name, equals to new linked list. New linked list. I want to add some elements. Listes dot add like Anil. List dot add Rupa. Okay, I want to add 2. Now I want to add these 2 elements to the first list. 2 elements to first list. I want to add. Okay, we can add by using, we have one method called add on. Nothing but I want to do adding. This is a second list, or adding listes reference, listes object, listed reference elements to the list, to the above list. I want to add. To add that, we have a method called add all. We have a method add all. We have a method called add all. See, add is there. See, add all is a boolean type. We have a add all. It is going to be add all. Add all. Okay. Here list dot add all. List dot add all. List dot add all of listes. Listes. There one spelling mistake. S. Then before that, I want to print the listes, the second list. This listes, just I'll keep like equals to differentiate, and listes. Okay, here this is out. This is an updated one. I write updated one. Updated list. I'll go and I'll write a list. We'll see whether it is updated or not. See, it's added at the last. Anil and Rupa, there are added at the last. Okay, next. Next is about add all. Next we have some more methods like add first. I'll go with add first. Add first. Okay, add the element, nothing but adding an element or an item, adding an element at the first index, first position. List dot add first. it will add it first. I'll go with was. Next, simply I'll print the list, copy from the above, paste, and I'll run it. See, list was is added to the first. Was is added at first. Next, same way I want to add last. We have last also. It uses adding an element at the last position. Last position. List dot add last. List dot add last. I want to add like a name, string. Next I want to print that. Save, Ctrl S, run as Java application. You can see also Zill. See in the last Zill, and last we are added with string. Added with string. This is about add first and add last. Okay. Next method. Next method. I want to remove. We have a method called remove. We have a method called remove. With index we can remove. We can remove with index also. We can remove. Don't worry. We can remove with index here, and we can remove with the element also. Element name you can write, and you can remove also. Removing specify or specific or specified element from a given list. From a given list, whatever you are giving the element or list, you can give list. Creating a list, and you can place and you can remove also. That is also possible. In that way also we can remove. Now I want to remove list dot remove. I want to remove that list psi. I want to remove psi. Next, after I want to print whether it is removed or not. Run as Java application and see psi has been removed. I can choose or create one list, linked list, and give it that reference. In that way also you can remove. By using remove all. And we have a method like remove first and remove last. Remove first and remove last. Nothing but removing first and last. Okay, that is also issue. List dot remove first. See, remove first. Removing an element and returns the first element from the list. That remove first. Okay, it will returns. If you want to catch, you can catch, or if you want to place in system dot out dot println, you can place and you can check whether that is removed or not. Also you can check. And next list I want to print whether first element is removed or not. First element remove or removed, anyone. Right click, run as Java application, and you can see first has been removed. And I want to remove last. Okay, you can go with last. Remove last element remove. Okay, plus concatenation list dot remove last, then print the list, and you can see the output. See, the last one is string. The string has been removed. If you apply one more, first Zill will be removed first. If you apply last, it will remove. And we have one more method called clear. If you type clear, all elements will be going to be deleted. If you add clear, all elements are going to be deleted. We have clear. Clear is used to remove all. Okay, next we have some more methods. We have some more methods like peek, like peek. Peek is nothing but this method retrieves but does not remove. This method retrieves retrieves but does not remove. Does not remove. uh, it will print. It prints that first one, head. It prints the head one. Head is nothing but first element or first item of this list of given list. What are the list we are given? That one. And same way we have some more like we have same way we have some more like peek first. This is also same. It returns first one only. This method retrieves but does not does not remove does not remove the first element. Same like above method of given list. Or that the difference. Here we have the difference. Or returns null. It returns null. It returns null. When it returns a null, if this list is empty, that is the difference. If the list is empty, if the list is empty, then it returns null. The above one does not returns null, it returns null, and the list is empty. Okay, we'll see with one example. We'll see like sys out list dot peek. Okay, then print in the list. First peek does not remove, just first element it will be print. Run with the Java application and you can see the first one is printed. This is peek. Okay, I'll mention the method peek. Content. Yeah, peek. See, peek Zill. It is not going to be deleted. Same way. Same with peek first. Here also peek first, but difference is when nothing is there in the linked list, it will print null. That is the difference. Okay, see, it is not going to delete. It just print in the first. These are the two methods, and some more methods we have. Some more methods we have like peek last. Peek last. It is also prints, does not deletes. This method retrieves. This method retrieves but does not remove. Does not remove the last element of a given list. What are the list we are given? Linked list, that list. Or returns null if this given list is empty. List is empty. Or returns null if the given list is empty. Whatever pass the list is empty. Okay, same one. Method is changed with last. Method is changed with last. What is the last? We have Rupa. That is going to be print. Rupa it is going to print. It will print. Does not deletes. Okay. Same way. Now I want to delete. Printing is okay. By using some methods, you can delete. Like we have 4 methods like pull, like pool. This method retrieves retrieves and retrieves and remove the head is nothing but first element of a given list. Next we have pool first. we have pool first. It will also, this method retrieves and removes the first element of a given list, or otherwise or return null if given list is empty. If given list is empty, it will returns a null. Okay, same way we have pop pull last. Retrieves and removes last pool, nothing but last element of the given list, and this is all same story, and it will empty, otherwise it will print empty. And the last method, pops element, nothing but removes. Pops an element from the stack represented by this list, nothing but this is stack related, nothing but stack related. All I want to apply one by one we'll apply and we'll see. Okay, yeah, the above one, all the steps, just I need to change method names. Pool it retrieves and remove the first element, that's all. Control S, save the file, run as Java application, and you can see it will remove. Same. Now I am going to apply for pool first. See whether the method is there or not. Yeah, spelling mistake. Spelling mistake. Yeah, now already removed. One more it is going to be removed. Yeah, first time Zill for pool first. Deva, here we have Deva is going to be deleted. Okay, next save. I want to go with pool last this time. Pool last. As the name itself only tells, removing the last. Pull means remove. Yeah, see, Rupa has been come out. And the next we have one more, pop. Pull means pulling. Pop, P-O-P. .pop, pop. Yeah, pop the element from the stack representation of a list. In other words, remove and return the first element of the list. Okay. Okay, right click, run as. See, pop run. The first one is going to be deleted. Run has been deleted. Okay, now we have this many elements. We have this many. First I'll see the size. What is the size we have? Like sys out size. First I'll see the size. Plus list dot what is the size I want to know. Okay, you know we have some size is 1 for size is 1, and I told we have one method to clear to remove all we have a one method, nothing but clear, nothing but clear, remove or removing all the elements, all the elements available, all the elements available in the list, in the list. Okay, we will see list dot clear, list dot clear. Next directly you can go with this two, size and list. You can go with this two, what is the size and what are the elements you have. Simple. Yeah, last one empty. Now these are empty. List and size are, these are now empty. These are the methods, the important, the pull, last, pull methods or remove methods. These all are useful when you are going to interview or when you are in the real time. We are use most of these methods, and this is about a linked list. Thank you watching this video. Please like and subscribe.